I tried dropshipping with $50 and here are the results. Last week I made the decision to see if it's possible to start dropshipping with only $50. We found the product with a free method on TikTok. Then we made a store called The Multi-Bottle that looked like this. And then the plan was to post 5 to 8 TikToks every day to get sales organically. And these are the results. Day 1. The first day I spent a lot of time researching different TikTok strategies, such as the best times to post and what type of content. So real quick for you guys, the best time to post is, and let's say you live in Europe and want to target the US, you can use this time zone converter. Select your country, then select your target country and enter the time you want to post. And it will show when you should post in your time. Link in the description. So the first day I only posted 4 TikToks. Now the plan is to post 5 to 8 TikToks a day.
5 to 8 TikToks a day.
I already failed the first day, but we actually got pretty good views, except the last one. The Shopify dashboard was awful though. Day 2. This day I again only posted 4 TikToks.
Come on, man!
They didn't get that many views, except one that was decent. On the Shopify dashboard things looked a little better. Still no sales or reached checkout, but we did get 2 add to carts with only 26 store sessions. Day 3. I really wanted to improve since it had already been 2 days and we only had 31 store sessions in total and 2 add to carts. I spent a lot of time researching and I wanted to use the conversation type TikToks because it seemed to work really well. But the text-to-speech on TikTok only gave me one voice. I spent hours researching but couldn't find any results on how to get the different voices, and it was really frustrating until I found a golden website. On this website, you just type in what you want it to say, select a voice, and click Generate and download.
This is not the original way to get the text-to-speech on TikTok.
But it's close enough.
I started to make a ton of TikToks and even decided to expand to Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and even a new TikTok account because I was worried that buying followers would mess with TikTok's algorithm. We didn't really get any views except this first YouTube short that popped off and got 5,000 views. But the Shopify dashboard still didn't look too good, but we are closer to getting a sale. Day 4. On day 4, I uploaded 8 TikToks. We got decent views on 2 of our TikToks. The YouTube, Instagram, and other TikTok page didn't do that well. But because of these 2 TikToks, our Shopify dashboard had 40 store session, 3 add to carts, and 3 reached checkout, but still no sales. Day 5. Day 6. I didn't really know what I was doing wrong, so I contacted someone who knows a lot about dropshipping, Jordan Welch.
There's more opportunity than ever to get started, but...
Well, I didn't contact him directly, but I did ask him questions on his Discord server, which I highly recommend joining. I wondered if it was my store that was the problem. It wasn't. Or if it was my product. It wasn't. So it was my content. I checked my analytics and it was only Danish people who had seen my TikTok, which was bad because people in Denmark can't buy things from USA without paying a lot in import tax. I researched how to influence USA from Europe and I needed a VPN, but I already had that. What I didn't have was an American SIM card. This was way more complicated than I expected, but when things looked the darkest, we got our first sale. So I went out and
bought this new Lamborghini here.
Day 7. This day doesn't really count since I spent most of the day editing and planning on how you could redo this challenge with an American audience. So at the end of day 7, these are the overall numbers for this challenge. We made $29.95 and our expenses were $1 on the Shopify plan, $15 on the domain, $3 on followers, and $9.90 on the reviews app, and $17.26 on the product fulfillment. This leaves us with a profit of negative $16.21. But even though we lost $16, I feel like we learned a lot from this challenge about TikToks and its algorithm, how to hit your target audience, and how to get the text-to-speech. So overall, I think this challenge was a success in the end. I was wondering about trying this challenge again with an American SIM card or maybe testing this product with paid ads. If you would like to see any of that, please let me know in the comments. Also, as you could see, Jordan and his team really liked our store, and if you're interested in learning how to make a store like this, I'll make a video with a step-by-step guide that even includes a free copy and paste blueprint. I upload videos every Friday at 4 p.m. EST, so subscribe and hit the bell to get notified about the video next week. By the way, this video right here is for you. Thank you for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you Friday.